In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use XLOOKUP to deploy two-way matching for both horizontal values and vertical values, and then pulling a data point based on where they intersect. In this example here, I've got a pivot table showing department spending by different categories. So let's say I wanted to know how much the finance team spent on meals or software. I can use XLOOKUP to easily pull in those values without having to count columns, and at the same time making my formula versatile enough where it's easy to change based on the values that I've entered. So I'm going to set up two fields here, one for my department lookup value and one for my category. So for the department, I'm going to start with finance and look up the meals. So I have two lookups that I have to do. So I'm going to start by setting up my XLOOKUP function. And so the lookup value, I'm going to start with my department, but it really doesn't matter which order this is. The logic is going to be the same. For the lookup array, I'm going to look up in the department section here. So all the range of cells that the department belongs to. Now for the return array, here I'm going to add another XLOOKUP function. So I'm going to type in XLOOKUP, and this is where I'm going to do my other lookup for meals. So how this is going to work is now my lookup array is just going to pertain to these categories here. So from entertainment through to travel. Now for my return array, I'm only going to select the data that I want to pull values from. And so you'll notice there's no overlap here. All the ranges are different. This pertains to my first lookup. This pertains to my second lookup. And these are the actual values that I want to pull. I'm going to close my formula out now and hit enter. And so we can see now that finance spent 1806.29 on meals, which is correct. I'm just going to format this so it's easier to read. And now if I change this to, let's say, the marketing department, 3150.34, which is a match with that. If we change the category to software, we can see marketing spent 1550.93 on software. So by setting it up this way, it's really easy to do a two-way lookup. You don't have to specify a certain range that you're locked into. You can make your function, your formula, a lot more versatile and dynamic just by changing these lookup values. And you don't have to deal with a complicated index and match combination where you've got multiple functions doing multiple matches. Instead, you can do it all within XLOOKUP, just using two XLOOKUP functions. You can do this two-way matching. So a really cool way to use XLOOKUP to make these searches a lot more efficient and easier to deploy. So that's all for this video. If you did like it, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.